Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender today with the momento que amarás. Amarás Mezcal. It is actually one of the nicest mezcals that you can find in the market. And if you don't believe me, try this cocktail. Today we're going to do La Flor del Desierto, La Flor del Desierto, or better known as the cactus flower. Please stay here with me and let me show you how to pour this delicious cocktail. So, La Flor del Desierto or the cactus cooler. Well, the first thing that you guys want to be doing, this is a little bit more of a complex cocktail, but definitely you're going to enjoy it. And the first thing you're going to do is order in any online or go check it out in some of the groceries. This company is called the Perfect Puree. They come up with amazing flavors. They have the mango, the passion fruit. This one in particular, it is the prickly pear fruit puree. Absolutely delicious, and this is perfect, especially if you're gonna do large batches. Guys, this is your guy. He's gonna come to the rescue, and he's gonna actually bring a lot of flavor to your cocktails. That being said, you're gonna need, obviously, Amarás Espadín. You're gonna need Domaine De Canton and a watermelon liqueur or creme. So, super simple and very easy to make. Let's start building your cocktail. We're gonna go with some ice in your shaker. Open up your nice bottle of Amarás. And let's go for 1.5 ounces. Domaine de Canton, it is a ginger liqueur. Cognac, as a matter of fact. It is French. But if you cannot find, or the thing is a little bit expensive, because it is a little bit expensive, try to find a small little one. You're not going to be drinking this thing by yourself. It's going to be drinking it kind of like a mixing with the cocktails, or try to find some substitute. You're going to use 1/2 ounce. Watermelon, 1/2 ounce as well. According with the watermelon that you guys choose or buy, it's gonna be how sweet your cocktail is gonna be, so be aware of that. The puree, same thing. If you don't get this puree, you might gonna get something that is gonna be a little bit more sweeter, so rectify your cocktail. 1/2 ounce of the prickly pear puree and 1 full ounce of fresh lime juice. Let's give it a good shake. Production is like a job me. And she was not thinking about the cocktail. Try to get some kind of like a nice chalice glass, or I don't know, maybe like a nice martini glass, something that is going to be really nice and fancy, because the color on this guy is absolutely beautiful. Let's strain it. And to finalize it, Bougainvillea is a super common flower. You can grab a little bit of those and a baby pin. And there you have it, you guys. La Flor del Desierto, or the cactus color, with the special guest. Remember, don't drink and drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time, and salud. For all of you that are bilingual or trilingual, it is so hard to go back and forth with English and Spanish, especially when you're speaking in Spanish and then something happens and you start speaking in English. Every single time that you hear that I said cactus cooler is cactus flower. I'm sorry, but sometimes the wires they just touch. I said some nonsense stuff. Right, production?
Sometimes.
So, my apologies to everyone. The cactus flower. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please stay tuned.